Many people use debit cards and credit cards every day, but most people don't clearly understand the difference between them. In this video, I'll explain the difference between a debit card and a credit card in very simple words, so you know when to use which one. What is a debit card? A debit card is directly linked to your bank account. When you use a debit card, the money is taken immediately from your own bank balance. If you have $500 in your bank account, you can only spend up to that amount using a debit card. Debit cards do not allow you to borrow money. You are spending only what you already have. What is a credit card? A credit card is different. When you use a credit card, you are borrowing money from the bank. The bank pays the store for you, and later the bank asks you to pay that money back. Credit cards come with a credit limit, which means the maximum amount you are allowed to borrow. Main difference: source of money. The biggest difference is the source of money. Debit card uses your own money. Credit card uses the bank's money, which you repay later. Payment, timing, difference. With a debit card, money is deducted instantly. With a credit card, you receive a bill at the end of the billing cycle, usually around 30 days. If you pay the full credit card bill on time, you usually do not pay any interest. Impact on credit score. Very important. Debit card usage does not affect your credit score. Credit cards do affect your credit score because they show how responsibly you handle borrowed money. Paying credit card bills on time helps build a good credit score in the US. Security and protection. Credit cards generally offer stronger fraud protection than debit cards. If a credit card is misused, your own bank balance is usually not affected immediately. With debit cards, the money comes directly from your account, which can be riskier in fraud situations. Simple example. For example, if you buy something for $200, using a debit card means $200 is taken directly from your bank account. Using a credit card means the bank pays first and you pay the bank later. Which one should you use? Debit cards are good for daily spending and budgeting. Credit cards are useful for building credit, online payments, and emergencies, but only if used responsibly. Using a credit card carelessly can lead to debt. Understanding the difference between debit cards and credit cards helps you make smarter financial decisions. In the next video, I'll explain common credit card mistakes beginners should avoid.